Hi, this is Alexander Nikidin. Let us start our Forex market analysis session. Okay, the first setup for you today is this bat pattern. I plotted this horizontal line to show you where is the B point, and you see it was broken to the upside. We have this bull trend bar. Basically, a bull trend bar is a bar that has a body 50% or more than the total range of the candle, and you can see that this was a significant resistance level. We had a kind of resistance here as well and resistance here as well. If it is broken to the upside, then we can expect a continuation higher. So I am looking for continuation here to trade it to the upside. Okay, if this potential reversal zone is complete and we have a bounce to the downside, for me a bounce to the downside is simply a price action printing a bear trend bar, so a bar with this arrow to the downside. Very simple. This means that we have a bounce and I will trade it to the downside, and if we break this potential reversal zone the same way, printing the bull trend bar through that potential reversal zone, this means for me a breakout of this reversal zone, and then I will trade it to the upside. So the pattern for me is simply a means of plotting support resistance levels. First one is the B point and the second one is the potential reversal zone. Simply trading support resistance with the concept of bull trend bars, bear trend bars, or other bars are called dodges or range bars. The next setup is dollar Canadian. Here it is. It is an inverse to Aussie dollar. They are mostly correlated negatively. It means that when one pair is going to the upside, another is going to the downside, because they are both commodity pairs and they depend on oil price or some commodity prices. So we can have inverse setups on both of them. New Zealand yen, a godly pattern. I don't know if it will ever complete. So guys, before it breaks the B point, we don't have any higher probability of the pattern to complete. So it is a very silly situation when you sell it from this point. It is very silly to sell it from C to D. It might never go to complete their pattern. Okay, Euro New Zealand, similar setup. We have a godly, very far from completion as well, and we have a deep crab pattern. For a deep crab pattern, if you are looking for a continuation high, you first should wait for this X point to be broken to the upside. Okay guys, here the four setups that I have for you today. They were all found and plotted by MPS5 pattern recognition software. Here it is. You can set multiple of algorithms in settings, and then switching between them you can find only those patterns that are obvious, that are not only seen to you but to other traders as well. You can also switch between the patterns that you wish to be displayed, and you can also switch between the approach of the patterns. We have advanced formation approach and we have a harmonic patterns approach. They are different approaches and they have slightly different methods of identification, trade execution and trade management for these patterns. If you're interested in this software, you can find the link in the description. If you're new and you never know about these patterns, also on my website you click on the tab Learn the Patterns and you will get an absolutely free trading course on pattern identification, trade execution and trade management. It is absolutely free. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.